I want to present you with an idea and then an example. The idea is that thinking and feeling are not opposites. We hear this all the time. After a mass shooting or a case of racialized police brutality, the message that we get from certain quarters is to respond with reason rather than with emotion. But I think that this is wrong. In fact, I think that thinking and feeling, feeling and reasoning are closely connected. Thinking is feeling, and feeling is very often a form of thinking. Now, lots of people have made this point in various ways, coming from psychology, from philosophy, from religion, from sociology, but the world that we live in is still defined by the belief that thinking and feeling are separate. And I think it's causing problems. Let me give you an illustration. In the early days of the internet, there were optimists among us who were very excited about what the new information ecosystem that the internet was creating meant. They believed that an increase of the free exchange of information would improve society, that the wider availability of facts, data, and perspectives would make all of us smarter. They thought that truth would rise to the top in a rational marketplace of ideas. What they didn't bank on is that we don't just assess new ideas and new information by their truth value, we assess them based on how they feel to us. Conspiracy theory is a perfect example of this. 20 years ago, conspiracy theories were fringe. Nobody thought that they were a serious part of the political conversation. Contrast this with our situation today, in which conspiracy theory is being talked about on every political talk show every single week. Thanks to social media, they are now part of mainstream political discourse. Now, anyone who's argued with a conspiracy theorist knows that they hold on to their ideas fiercely, even passionately. Conspiracy theorists are in love with their knowledge. The problem, though, is not that they don't have enough information. They have plenty of information, but they choose the interpretation, the arrangement of that information that is most exciting to them. Because thinking and feeling are not separate, when we're presented with a menu of beliefs, a menu of ideas and information, we often choose the one that feels good, even more than the one that's true. As the poster on the wall of Fox Mulder's office in the TV show The X-Files says, we want to believe. Thank you.